planting a pine tree. Mulch pine tree spot. I'm gonna put it right here. So this is how I do it. I'm doing it one-handed, so it won't be that easy, but you'll get the idea. So I go like that. I basically, and this sucks one-handed. Okay, and I kind of go like that. Okay. That. It's a big one. Split that one. I grabbed it by hand since I only got one hand at the moment. Okay. Boom. Boom. Okay. So you're kind of left with something like this. Take out the rest. Okay. So basically left with that. Now I'm gonna take the mulch and dump it in there. Okay, that's step 2. We're looking at right around here. So now I like to move this aside, and then I'm gonna grab my topsoil really quick. Okay, got my topsoil. Pay attention to the roots. I already dipped them in water. Okay, so we're looking at something like this. Put some roots that way, put some roots this way. And I grab the topsoil. I put it, this bag's kind of smushed, but I put it around the roots because they still need some nutrition. Okay, now here's the thing. Ground level is right here. I always put it above. Okay, gotta use one hand. Okay, so we're looking at something like this right now. Okay, one stay. Put some more. Okay, now put some pressure on it. So we're right here thus far. Now we're gonna put some more, because mulch is weak. If it rains and the wind's a little bit stronger, it will blow this over. So you wanna, all right. So now what I do is I bring these closer, I should say. Okay, here, and you'll have plenty of this, because the hole, you always want to go 2 or 3 times bigger. Okay, so we're looking at this right now. Now we're gonna put the rest of the mulch. Okay, you want to kind of see. Okay, it's right there. I'm gonna give it a little pull, not too much. Cover it back up. Okay, and press it again. We're looking at that, and then of course sprinkle some again. It's gonna sit. Okay. Oh. And then I always put topsoil at the end, on top. And this is how I plant my pine trees. And I'll just show you kind of how that goes. And these I just planted, as you can see. Good thing is you can trim around these, you'll have no issues. And the best thing is, once they're established, all it is, you can either cover it up with mulch, make it nice and round, or you can remove it. So these are 2 years already, and you can see the difference. These are just planted this year. This one's second year, this one's second year, this one's second year. So you can see that they really like growing in this mulch. My advice is always plant higher and you will be happy. And don't go cheap on the mulch. If you go to a retailer, buy the whole pickup truck or rent out something from Home Depot, a trailer or something, because honestly, if you don't, you're going backwards every year. I wish I did this from the beginning. The trees would have probably been triple this size now. But yeah, hope you enjoyed my video.